How's it going? So today I am just running errands on my bike. It's a beautiful day and I needed to go down to the Westerville area, so I parked in Sunbury at the grocery store and got my hair cut, and I'm going to the grocery when I get done, and I'm gonna go explore the Hoover Reservoir area. This is the top of Hoover, the big Walnut Creek, so it should be a good ride. Looking forward to it, and I'll see you out there. Gnarly. So that was not the safest way to come, but I'm at Hoover, and this is kind of where I wanted to go. This bike path starts right here in this park, it appears, and this is considered Westerville. Really pretty park. Might be a good launching point. I've been wanting to get down here. I think this would be a fun place to do a fat bike ride in the winter. With just a little bit of snow on, could be a lot of fun. So I'm going to keep exploring and going to drop off these handlebars to my friend Nick. He lives up here, so good explorational ride. Very pretty bike path. This was my goal, is to get up here and do this bike path and see where it goes. So my first objective complete. I got those bars delivered to my buddy Nick. Thanks, Nick, for giving me that bike, and sorry it took me so long to get those bars back to you. So now I'm gonna go explore Hoover Reservoir. Let's check it out. So that concludes my adventure down to Westerville. It was a successful trip and I had a good time on the bike. Hot, sticky day. It was good to end on some ice cream. So thanks for watching this one and I'll catch you on the next.